Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve digital marketing with Mailchimp, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by signing up for a Mailchimp account if you haven't already. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the audience section to create or manage your email list. Import your existing contacts using CSV or Excel files. Segment your audience based on demographics or behavior to personalize your campaigns. Create a new email campaign by clicking on the Campaigns tab. Choose the type of campaign that suits your goals, such as regular or automated emails. Select your target audience for this campaign from your segments. Design your email using Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor. Incorporate engaging visuals and clear calls to action to boost conversion rates. Make use of Mailchimp's template library for professional-looking designs. Personalize your content with merge tags to address recipients by their names. Ensure your subject line is catchy and relevant to attract opens. Preview and test your email by sending a test message to yourself. Schedule your campaign for optimal delivery timing based on audience engagement. Monitor performance metrics after sending, such as open rates and click-through rates. Analyze your audience's behavior to determine what content resonates with them. Use this data to refine your future campaigns for better results. Implement A/B testing on different elements like subject lines and content. Adjust your strategies based on the feedback and results you're receiving. Integrate Mailchimp with other tools such as social media platforms and e-commerce sites for enhanced functionality. Consider using automation features to send personalized messages triggered by user actions. Continuously educate yourself on digital marketing trends to keep your strategies fresh. With consistent effort and analysis, your digital marketing will improve significantly using Mailchimp. Now, start implementing these steps to elevate your campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.